Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a revolutionary product for fighting nail fungus, Cuticara. If you've heard about Cuticara and want to know more about it before you buy it, stay with me and I'll explain the details you need to know to buy it safely. It's important to know that Cuticara is an exclusive product that has gained a lot of prominence in recent months for its effective treatment of nail fungus. So that you can make a legitimate purchase, I've included the product's official website below in the video description, where you can buy directly from the manufacturer and guarantee the quality and money-back guarantee they offer, as well as post-purchase support. This is one of the main reasons why I made this video review, as there are reports of people who have bought from unsafe websites of unauthorized resellers and ended up disappointed. Cuticara's secret lies in its powerful antifungal, Clotrimazole. This highly effective raw material penetrates deep into the nail and fights the fungus at the root. With continuous use, you'll notice your nails becoming clearer and healthier without the need for painful or expensive treatments. How the substances in Cuticara work. Fungi can create protective layers called biofilms that protect them from our body's defenses and medicines. Tea tree oil interrupts the formation of these biofilms and can break down existing ones, which makes it easier to eliminate the fungi with treatment. Lavender oil can stop enzymes that fungi need to grow and survive. By interfering with these enzymes, lavender oil disrupts the fungi's important functions, making them unable to survive and eliminating them. Lemongrass oil has strong germ-fighting properties that can kill various types of microbes, including fungi. It directly attacks and stops the growth of harmful fungi, which helps to get rid of them and treat fungal infections. Let's take a look at some of the main benefits of Cuticara. Easy to apply. Use the applicator for even coverage. Fast results. Many people notice significant improvements in just a few weeks. Safe and effective. Dermatologically tested formula with Clotrimazole. Regain your confidence. Show off beautiful, healthy nails again. Using Cuticara is super simple. Simply apply a thin layer to the affected nail twice a day and leave to dry. Follow these steps daily for the best results. Well, now you know everything you need to know about Cuticara before you buy it. Go to the official Cuticara producer website to order today and start treating your nails as soon as possible. I hope this video has helped you with some important information. Consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel to help us make more content about products that help people's health. See you next time.